This is something that you need to hear. It's cool to capture. I feel like Blondie, caught in the rapture. Rappers and those who try to offend me from false accusations they heard from Wendy. I'm in the game to play for those cats on the sideline calling me gay. And don't be the broads as niggas mad cause I'm bagging chicks that look as bad as jiggers and make 7 figures. A rap icon, I'm the one kid in the biz that keep their eyes on me, Superman. I fell from the window. If I fly high, then why drive a Benzo? And drive a Lac, and drive a Hummer, and driving something brand new this summer. The operator, I got your number. Don't act like I don't flow like water, call a plumber. Some trying to stop the E from getting large. I feel like the Beastie Boys is sabotage. In all 5 boroughs, I pissed on trees. I'm a dog, ask Rockwaller, please. And some fake cats, they talk behind me. A few A&R saying they won't sign me cause they see my face and think I'm done. Meanwhile, I'm the Black Leo, yes the one. While they sign their brother or friend or their man that's supposed to blow. He's a no-show, and that's why the game is shut down. Every major player that's in it been changed around, but I'm still standing and got something to say. The boys still here like LL and Dre. I sat down with Russell and Def Jam team. I sat down with Suge and Jimmy Iovine. I sat down with Sylvia, sat down with Tommy, sat down with Clive Davis and no favors. I got with Kadar, and this might be my last hurrah. I'ma rock now until tomorrow. Some ask about EPMD's prognosis, but it won't happen till P gets focused. I won't be compared to Nas or Jada, but I'ma punish the game for its foul behavior. And y'all got it backwards. Those ain't real MCs, those is actors. Cast the fear factor. I agree with Missy. No creativity in the game no more. It's the same old bore. A few people in the biz know what's happening. The fans don't know. They think I'm platinum cause they hear the record getting played 4,000 times on every station. The same time hating this job. If I'm over, explain how I do it. In 2001, I shut it down with music. If I'm whack, why in 2002? Yes, it's true, I made cats react. Source might not quote this here. It might not be nothing, but I wrote this here. Like Eminem said, you wanna be Eric Sermon, but you a generic version. Let's go. Alright y'all, enough talk. Welcome to Chilltown, New York.
Lewis Marlin skata a Carbonia.
Che figo. Levando peli. Vai, fino a sto wall ride.
Vai lo.
Punjabi, quelli. Flip out! Madonna! Crema!
Ja.
No, scusate, ma
Stanno sentito anche.
il mio
Faccio un sorriso. Un sorriso faccio. Mitico.
Vado!
Dai, Mitch.
Prendila, prendila. Blocchi.
Romani ruote quadrate.
Bellissimo.
Stupendo. Massimo.
Grazie, vinca, per pulirla un anno. Va, vai. Aio.
Non si può tagliare.
Ah. Riprendi anche sto cazzo. Ora gli compriamo un bel croccante. La bagassa.
Faranno il cartone animato Custode contro Druid. Il cartone insegue, non in puntata.
Faccendola.
Tipo sketch.
Braccia.
Spalla.
Dolore. Caduto. Aspetta.
Vieni man! Molto good! Sì, buone!
Pauroso.
Lo rifaccio! Si vede molto fisciaiato. Si vede molto.
Arrodo godiri. Arrodo godiri.
Non vuole! Sì! Ale, sono quel pezzo di...
Non mi dava passare per voi. Uno, te l'ho detto.
No, è tocca a
Non mi dava passare per voi. Uno, te l'ho detto. Ma preso, cosa devo fare? Poi in strada, io.
Se tu mi colpisci con lo schermo,
Io non ci colpisco.
cioè tu adesso faccio la festa, 10 anni. Ma fai il ricordo?
No.
No. Come ti sposta lo schermo?
Guarda lì quanto è pieno.
Di che cosa?
Si fa lì.
Dove ti ha preso? Dimmi se ti ha fatto male.
No, ma preso nella spalla.
Ti ha fatto male un pallino nella spalla.
Ma è fastidioso.
Ma vabbè,
L'ho
ma
detto.
già un bambino di 10 anni, coglione.
Te l'ho detto, cosa devo fare?